Will homemade borax ant bait harm the growth of nearby plants? Borax works by disrupting ant metabolism and is toxic to insects but can also affect plants when taken up in sufficient amounts. So avoid pouring the solution directly onto soil near roots and place baits where contact with foliage and root zones is unlikely. Use a concentrated bait on a small piece of cardboard or in a shallow container and position it on hardscape or under mulch at least several inches away from stems, which reduces the chance of boron accumulating in root zones. If you must apply a diluted mixture for a large infestation, dilute thoroughly and apply only in small, localized spots rather than broadcasting, because boron moves in soil slowly and builds up where drainage is poor. Monitor soil moisture and choose applications when soil is not saturated so boron will not be driven deeper toward roots by heavy watering. For potted plants or small beds, temporarily relocate containers or remove surface soil around the root crown before bait placement. Then replace clean soil after ant activity declines. Remember that edible plants are more sensitive because people may ingest residues, so restrict baits to non-edible areas and wash any produce thoroughly if baits were used nearby. 3 common mistakes gardeners make are pouring homemade borax solutions directly onto the soil surface near stems, using excessive volumes believing more poison is faster, and placing baits in beds with poor drainage or on top of compost. Direct pours increase the risk of root uptake and leaf burn, so always confine bait to a barrier or container away from root zones. Over-application increases residual boron in the root sphere, so measure and limit the total quantity and repeat only if you see continued ant activity after a reasonable interval such as 1 week. Putting bait on soggy or compacted beds allows boron to accumulate, so improve drainage or choose dry hardscape sites for bait placement and avoid treating right before heavy rain. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where users share experiences about pest control and plant safety. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to interact with homeowners and answer questions, while our community forum lets gardeners compare methods and get practical advice.